before I go on my maternity leave, I have decided to do a final short workshop series around somatic work and pleasure work. It's a passion of mine. So yeah, I have an upcoming workshop series where we will be deepening into pleasure as medicine, working with our emotions, regulating our nervous systems and supporting welcoming pleasure from a place of nervous system regulation and how we can regulate and support our nervous systems, and then also support pleasure to move through us and to connect to more pleasure, to rewire our nervous systems and our bodies for pleasure. We have this incredible instrument of our human body for incredible amounts of pleasure, and actually a lot of women don't know what's possible in their bodies. We haven't been taught, and you know, a lot of people don't know what's really possible. So yeah, this course will go into more depth about the pleasure potential of your body, of different areas of your sexual organs, and yeah, we just have this incredible capacity for pleasure and for joy as humans. And if you're drawn to my work, it's quite likely you might be on a chronic illness healing journey, so it might feel a bit of a stretch to be talking about this, and it feels really important. And pleasure can be medicine, and pleasure can be healing, and pleasure can help to balance out the journey of perhaps trauma healing or healing chronic illness. So, you know, it can just look like very simple pleasures like gentle stroking of your body, breathing, and just welcoming any subtle pleasure that's available in the here and now, all the way to full body, to orgasmic pleasure, energetic pleasure. Yeah, so we'll be talking about the full spectrum, and I'll meet you where you are in these workshops. And it would be lovely to welcome you if you'd like to join us and you're a woman or a vulva owner. I'd love to welcome you to this mini-series. Yes, I'll make sure there's more information below this video about how to join, or if you've got any questions. Yeah, and I have a baby growing inside of me that is due at the end of January-ish 2024, so this will be the last little series like this for a little while. So yeah, it'd be amazing to have you if you can join us and explore, yeah, moving towards your full embodied pleasure and bliss and health and well-being.